So you will do this. Titingling. Titingling. You know, titing. No, titing. Yeah, titing. Titing galit. You have to do it to the rhythm, okay? So we have our rhythm guys here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, titing galit. Titing galit. Titing galit. I have to explain your motivation here, Mr. Britt, because you know in the 60s and in the 70s they make their instruments cry like like that. So it should be titing-ling. Titing-ling. Okay? So you have to do it with more passion, okay? So let's try it one more time, Mr. Britt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody say chupa, ang hindi nagsasabi chuchupain ko. Uy, ayaw nila umaasa. You're so cute in saying that titing galit. I hope it's not cute, it's huge. You're titing galit. Anyway, you're so good. Thank you so much, gentlemen. You made my birthday a very, very happy one. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Makakakiss si Ariel. Woo!
Buntis na ako, buntis na ako. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to make this day very, very special for everybody and for me too.
Yari
This
ka!
is one song that I love doing because it has been part of my repertoire. A long time ago, hindi lang po naiintindihan ang mga tao. Pero ngayon, sumikat dahil kay Pedro